Hey Flower Tribe, it's Kelly Lehman from Cranberry Fields Flower Farm, and I'm coming to you from behind the camera today.
So now we're talking marigolds, and I love marigolds. They're this bright, cheery, beautiful flower. They come in a variety of colors, and they come in a variety of sizes from 6 inches to 3 feet tall. So they are a beautiful addition to your garden, and one of the best reasons to plant marigolds is because the deer and the rabbits and the moles and other critters don't like the smell of them. So a lot of times gardeners will actually surround their gardens with marigolds to deter the critters. Another reason why I love marigolds so much is because they are super easy to plant. So when you put them in the ground, you're going to follow the similar rules that we did for the zinnias and for the cosmos. You're going to find a bright, sunny location, and you're going to put them in the ground when there's no more threat of frost, and you're going to wind up burying them about 1/4 inch or 1/8 of an inch deep for most varieties. But the best bet is to check out what the planting depth is on the exact variety that you're planting. So just check out the back of the seed packet to let you know exactly how deep to plant them. And then you're just going to cover them lightly with soil. You're going to water them in, and you're going to make sure that they don't dry out, especially as they're germinating. And then you're just going to keep up with the water, make sure they're not flooded, but also make sure that, that soil doesn't dry out. And marigolds are terrific because they're drought tolerant, just like the sunflowers and the zinnias and the celosia and the cosmos. If I were to pick one flower to grow from seed with children in the garden, I would choose marigolds. And that's because they germinate very quickly. You will actually get a sprout coming out of the soil within a week or two. And that's so exciting to watch. Whereas like some of the other flowers, they take a few weeks. So marigolds are super fun to grow with kids. You can either grow them like in a cup of soil in your kitchen by the window, or direct seed them in the garden, and it's just really fun to watch them grow with the kids. And one last reason that I love marigolds is because they attract beneficial insects like ladybugs, and they'll attract other beneficial insects, and those beneficial insects will wind up eating the harmful insects that usually attack your plants. So this is a super addition to your annual garden. Thank you so much for joining us in this video, and please say hi to us over on my Cranberry Fields Instagram page. You can also find us on TikTok, and I made a whole bunch of podcasts for you. You can find those wherever you listen to your podcast. And please also let me know where you're viewing this from in this great, big, beautiful world. I love to see how our flower tribe is growing around the globe each week. Also check out our Kelly Lehman's Flower Tribe Facebook group, because there's thousands of gardeners from all over the world, and they're asking and answering loads of garden questions over there. And know that YouTube has allowed me to have a super thanks button attached to this channel. And if you'd like to buy us a cup of coffee, or let us know if you appreciate these videos, that would be terrific. Or you could just give us a like or a comment below. I would appreciate that. And I will see you guys in the next video.